During Operation Sindoor on 10th of May, Pakistan had used unarmed drones and loitering munitions. None of them actually could inflict any damage to Indian military or civilian infrastructure. Most of them were neutralised through a combination of kinetic and non-kinetic means. And some of them in fact could be recovered in Sindoor. On 10th of May, Pakistan had used unarmed drones and loitering munitions. None of them actually could inflict any damage to Indian military or civilian infrastructure. Most of them were neutralised through a combination of kinetic and non-kinetic means. And some of them in fact could be recovered in almost intact conditions. We need to focus on combat in future in this particular lower airspace. The ability to use LEO satellites for let's switch on to Atmanirbharta, both this drones and counter-UAS systems. Operation Sindoor has showed us as to why indigenously developed counter-UAS systems and counter-UAS systems built for our terrain and our needs are crucial. We cannot rely on imported niche technology that are crucial for our offensive and defensive missions. We must invent and build and safeguard ourselves. Dependence on foreign technologies weakens our preparedness, limits our ability to scale up production, results in shortfall of critical spares for sustenance and round-the-clock availability. Another important aspect of this capability is that foreign weapons and sensors, their capabilities are known to all, and adversaries can predict our tactics and doctrinal concepts based on the capabilities of this particular system. So you may have today on very modern aircrafts air-to-air missiles, so say ranges are known to us, so are they known to the adversaries also. And the moment if they are imported, then obviously the adversary can keep out of those ranges and develop tactics accordingly. So this becomes a severe limitation, but if you are developing systems which you own, their capabilities are not known to the enemy, and that may add an element of surprise when actually you are face to face in the initial encounters at least. So when we design, make and innovate at home, we secure our secrets, cut costs, retain the initiative to scale up production and maintain round-the-clock readiness. Our Honorable Raksha Mantri has rightly said that Atmanirbharta is not a choice, it's part of a duty. It's kind of revolutionary changes. So when we talk about drones, what do you think these are? They are introducing kind of evolutionary change or a revolutionary change in warfare. I think their development is kind of evolutionary, but their employment has been very, very revolutionary as far as warfare is concerned. Initially, the development was for small applications, limited ranges, restricted payloads. As the realization of the scope of deployment, utility and success increased, Army started using drones in a revolutionary kind of manner, and you've seen this in number of wars which are being fought by us. Their utility grew many folds, from being simple means of transportation, photography or videography, to becoming cost-effective force multipliers for modern warfare. Their unbridled and rampant use in modern-day conflicts proved not only their utility but also their ubiquity. They augment manned systems and enable militaries to conduct simultaneous operations across multiple domains with fewer resources and minimal danger to